Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this video. Today I have a very special Saint Laurent bag unboxing, and this bag, it was a Christmas gift from me to me, and I got the bag already over a couple of months ago, like in October. I bought it on Milan's Malpensa airport, which means I got 18% discount on the bag, and that was also before price increases, so all good. This is a very special YSL bag because it's not that kind of boring neutral bag. It's a very festive, party appropriate bag. It's a special event or special occasion bag. When you see the color of the bag, you will understand why this is a very Christmassy bag. Shall we actually get into the bag, and then I will maybe tell you more stories and why I actually eventually decided to get this bag. Before I open the bag, as this is the first video I'm posting in 2023, let me wish you Happy New Year. I hope this year, 2023, will be the best year so far, that you will make your dreams come true. You will make them, because we have to make our dreams to come true. They don't happen by themselves. I wish you lots of love, happiness, and just achieving whatever you want. So, lots of love. And now let's get into the unboxing business, because that's why we are all here, right? So, let's open the box. And the bag, without keeping you long, the bag I got is a gold Party Kate bag. I believe the size is small, and this is how the bag looks like. It's in very bold gold, as you probably can see. This is not a pale gold, it's not a champagne gold. It's a very rich gold color. I have looked at this bag already probably more than a couple of times, and I was considering it because I would like to have a gold bag, like an evening bag. But for me, evening bag, okay, black, yes, but I am like more into shiny and bold and like a little bit more exaggerated things. So I wanted a bag that will be shiny, that will be gold. And I looked before also on the wallet on the chain, like the pink one that I have, but in some kind of gold color. But first of all, it's a little small. I would prefer a proper bag, not a wallet on a chain. And also it was in this kind of pale champagne gold, which actually looked kind of silver under strong light. So, or maybe not only under strong light, I didn't see it like in the evening light, but actually it was pale gold, but it looked silver when you look it from a little distance. So that wasn't it. And about this one, I always thought that that one is maybe a little bit too gold, and that I would rather have something which is a little bit less gold, which is a little bit more like paler. Paler, is that a word even? I thought that this gold was too gold. It was too bold, it was too goldy gold, and I would like to have something which is like in between those two bags. So that's why I did not get this bag earlier. However, now when I was looking at this bag, I had a different outfit, and it kind of depends. Like when I had a summer dress, this bag looks weird. If I find clips, I will insert them somewhere here so you can see. But when I was shopping for this bag, or when I decided to get this bag, I was wearing something that was black, and also the salesperson, because of course in Saint Laurent they have this black uniform, and she was wearing black, and actually this bag looks very good with black. It's not overpowering, it's like stands out, but I think in a good way. And also I start to think like, okay, if I actually wear this bag in the evening when the light is not so strong, and also like people look at me from a distance, nobody is like looking from 10 centimeters away on the bag, that's probably not actually bad that the bag has such a strong gold color. Another bag that I considered at this time, and I probably also I look at the bag a couple of times actually, was the small envelope bag in black with gold hardware, because I thought that that size is also very nice for evening, and it could be also like Saint Laurent version of Chanel mini rectangular bag, like the classic mini. So I look at the other one, but then eventually I decided to go for this. And spoiler alert, there is one more bag, but I think we have to wait a few weeks until I show you this bag. Now let's focus on this. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Natalia, and I'm self-employed shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury designer handbags, but also non-designer fashion and all the fun stuff we women enjoy, please consider joining my anonymous shopaholic club down below, so we stay in this addiction together. So that was my process of thinking and choosing the bag. And another thing was the price. We know how prices are going these days. Like without 2,000 euro, you pretty much cannot even walk to a boutique if you want a bag. Yeah, that's crazy, right? For 1,000 euro, you maybe have a wallet on a chain like this. Like this is now 9.95. And the gold version actually was 100 euro more. I think it's 1,050. So, well, not so much that you can buy for 1,000 euro. And this bag originally was 1,490 euro. And with the airport discount, I paid for it 1,240, I think. 40 or 50, but like, let's not be so picky on the details. So, hello. 1,240 euro for a proper bag. Like, I could not say no, especially that this was one of the bags that were on my wish list. Like, not specifically this bag, but a gold evening bag. So after some time of processing it and thinking, because it was not like a 5 minute decision, I was there actually probably for 1 hour at least, I made my effort to go to the airport very early and get to the boutiques as early as possible, because I wanted to have time to think. So anyway, I went for this bag, and now you are probably guessing why I kept it as a Christmas gift from me to me, because that's a very Christmassy bag. That's a bag which screams Christmas, festive, party, bold and rich, and gold is like a Christmas color. I guess now it's time to show you like close-ups and like spin the bag around. So that's like from all angles. It has this, the bag is like a very pure gold, like 24 karat gold. And it has gold hardware as well, which I love also about this bag, because very often the gold bags, they will have silver hardware, and I don't like it. I want gold on gold. But again, not too much. I'm very happy that this hardware is not a bright, like a shiny gold hardware. It's this brass, I think, or old aged gold hardware, which kind of tunes the bag down and yeah, gives it a little bit, I think, a more appropriate, not even more casual or edgy look, because like that's not casual. Maybe a little bit more edgy with this hardware, but I think it's very appropriate to match this kind of bold gold with a brushed or aged gold, like a muted hardware. So let's open the bag. So if you are familiar with the Kate bag, of course, it's one open compartment. The chain, sorry. So the chain is not adjustable and it's not removable. Of course, possible with some kind of chain shortener, or even like make a knot here. Yeah, we can make a knot here and, you know, drop the chain inside, so it can be as a clutch, or you can make it shorter or longer. You can wear it like on your wrist or on the crook of your arm, or you can make it a little bit longer, like depending how you tie the knot inside. And it can be a shoulder bag, so which you can wear here in this very trendy way. I do enjoy like this kind of shoulder moment, but with bags which can also later be crossbody or like a shoulder bag, a normal bag, because I don't personally believe that the shoulder tiny bit, like, you know, 2000s vibe will last for a very long time. Maybe for a few years, but I would rather buy bags which are more timeless. As you know, I'm building my collection for life, not for next couple of years. So I want to have bags which I can reach for in 10, 15, 20 years. Any other details about the bag? It's leather lined inside and suede, like inside the compartment. It has one slip pocket. It has all these, you know, papers here, which I usually keep here. It has a stamp here, Saint Laurent Paris, and the bag was made in Italy. So that's all the details. I guess there's a protective sticker on this one here, which I will end here also, so I might take it off actually. Why not? We are going to use the bag. That's so fun, isn't it? So now I have fresh and new and beautiful bag. So that's all for the video. That's my Christmas gift from me to me. Very Christmas appropriate, as I said. I love this bag and I was looking forward to open it and enjoy. And I actually like to give myself this kind of torture. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think about metallic bags, gold or other metallics. Do you like them, or are you afraid, or maybe they're actually too much for you? Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending some time with me. I will see you in my next video, and until next time, take care and don't forget to enjoy life. Bye guys.